Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to post a little update for you guys about my decluttering and my cleaning with the Konmari method. If you have not seen those videos in the past, I will link them in the description box down below so that you can watch those. But basically I'm going through everything that I own and throwing away whatever I do not need. And today I just wanted to talk to you guys about 5 things that I am focusing on throwing away and that I no longer need. And, as you start going through your stuff, you start seeing a theme in terms of what you tend to hoard, quote unquote. But that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. It's 5 things that you can toss out of your house right this very moment to declutter your life. I've been noticing the first thing is going to be obviously paper. This is my number one thing that I tend to just accumulate everywhere, and it absolutely drives me crazy. I have all kinds of mail, of statements. I'm finding things from college, and I've been out of college for a while now. Papers from college, statements, credit card statements that I don't need anymore, bank statements, all kinds of like letters and junk mail, and it accumulates so fast. And so I've been going through and tossing out the junk mail and the things that I can throw away immediately. I have been being very conscious of anything that has account numbers on it. So what I did is I set aside a specific box and I put everything that could have like personal information on it in that box, and I'm going to destroy all of those at once, burn them, shred them, whatever I need to do to make sure that they don't wind up in the hands of someone else. So I've been being very aware of that. So the first thing I'm focusing on getting rid of is paper. I need it all gone. With the mail and the like stationery and receipts and just things I absolutely do not need, especially, in my purse. And then I have this tendency that if I clean out my purse, I'll just take the wad of receipts and put it somewhere and then move on to the next purse. But I'm trying to go through each receipt and toss out the ones that I don't need, keep the ones that I do for my business, and just get rid of everything paper-wise that I absolutely do not need, and then organize the rest and put it somewhere where I'll know where it is, but that it's out of sight, out of mind. The second thing that I've been trying to get rid of kind of goes along with that, and that is boxes. I have this tendency in my head to think, oh, I can reuse this box for something. Oh, like if I order something and it's shipped in a box, oh, that's a good box, I need to keep that. No more keeping the boxes. I wanted to break them down immediately, get rid of them, put them in the trash. I don't want them, hiding out of my house. I don't want them behind, like I have this tendency to stick them behind bookshelves or behind the bed, like anywhere to where I can't see them, but they're still there, so they're still cluttering up stuff. So I've been trying to get rid of all of my boxes that I have that I don't need, because most of my stuff I use the free USPS boxes to ship in anyway. So, I'll keep those for my business purposes. Any other box that I get is going in the trash and the recycling. Bye-bye. I don't need them. Goodbye. Now watch. One day I'm going to move and then I'm going to need my boxes, but hopefully I'll be able to find some at that point. So we're saying goodbye to the boxes. The third thing that I have been trying to get rid of is bags. All different kinds of bags that I have this tendency to keep. I started getting rid of all the Christmas bags. We're into February now, and I had all these Christmas bags just hanging out in my room with stuff still in them. And, I've been trying to organize the stuff that I got for Christmas and put it away and get rid of the bags. I don't want to keep the bags. They sell Christmas bags at Dollar Tree, so I can just, if I need a Christmas bag next year, I can just go and buy them as I need them. That is another thing I've been trying to do, is try not to buy excess of things. I used to be really good about couponing, and I would buy multiples of things that I typically use that I use on a regular basis, and I would just end up with so much overstock of stuff. So, and to me, that's not really saving money if I have overstock of stuff. So now I'm saving money by only buying exactly what I need as I need it. So that's a whole other video. But anyway, so getting rid of the boxes, getting rid of the bags, the Christmas bags, shopping bags from stores, only keeping the ones really that I need for like the cloth shopping bags, because I shop at Aldi a lot, and I'm so terrible at this. I will forget my shopping bags and go into Aldi, and then I have to buy the plastic bags, which completely defeats the purpose of buying, the regular bags. So I'm trying to like compile all of my shopping bags and like keep them in my car so that I'll have them in the car and I won't have to keep buying all of these plastic bags from Aldi, because that's completely defeating the purpose. So those bags I'm keeping. Other types of bags like duffel bags, suitcase style bags that I don't really need, like things that I have gotten as like free gifts, like the free little gift makeup bags. I've gotten like tote bags as free gifts, and I have so many of them. So I've pretty much gotten rid of all of my bags except my big suitcase that I have for traveling, a carry-on size suitcase, and a duffel style bag, that like an overnight bag type thing. So I have 3 bags that I'm keeping, and I'm getting rid of all the rest of them. Not including my purses and stuff, but that's a whole, I'm gonna have to go through all my purses too. But anyway, getting rid of all the stuff that I don't need. And truthfully, I keep telling myself, if I get to a point where I need to travel or I'm traveling a lot, I am going to be at that point where I can go buy a nice set of luggage, and I'm going to go and purchase myself, a good quality set of luggage, invest in a good set of luggage, and that way those are all the bags that I need, and I can get rid of all the rest of my travel bags, because I don't need that many travel bags. I've already donated a good chunk of them to Goodwill. I took them the other day and, I used them to transport other things that I was donating to Goodwill and just left it all there. So we're getting rid of all the bags of all shapes and sizes, because I do not need this many bags in my house. The 4th thing that I am getting rid of is something I think all girls tend to hang on to, is old makeup. I have so much old makeup and samples, and stuff that I have gotten from like Birchbox, and if you order something from Sephora, they send you like 25 samples with the whatever you ordered. So I've been doing my best to try and go through all of those and keep what I intend to use, and then toss everything, the rest of it, out. You save like your old makeup because it still has a little bit left in it, and then it gets old, and then you can't really use it anymore. So I've been trying to go through all of that, all of the drawers in my bathroom. You watched my bathroom counter declutter. I threw away a ton of old cosmetics during that. It's just, I don't need all of these little makeup compacts and containers and all of that taking up space, and it looks really bad and it drives me crazy. And then in my makeup bag itself, there's a lot of stuff that I don't use. So I'm trying to downsize my makeup to only the things that I use on a regular basis. Everyone has like their thing, like their eyeshadows and stuff, but if it's something that I haven't used and that I'm probably not going to use, I am tossing it out, because I don't need it, and I don't like digging through my makeup bag trying to find, what I need, and I can't find what I need for all of this old stuff that I have. So we're tossing out all the old makeup. It's going bye-bye. I can't take it anymore. So 4th thing, old makeup. If you don't use it, if you haven't used it in a while, toss it out. My last thing, my 5th thing that I have been focusing on getting rid of, and this is probably the bulk of my declutter, is clothing. I have so much clothing, more than I can ever wear or ever need, and I am trying very hard to build what they call a capsule wardrobe and only have things that I really wear, and that, I have this tendency to just keep things, oh, I'm going to wear that, I'll find somewhere to wear that. And if I haven't worn it in the past year, I'm getting rid of it. And, I also have an online store, so I have clothing for that. And I have been going through that and really questioning, is this something that is really going to sell? How long have I had this? If I've had it for a long time, I am making sure it is not listed and I am donating it back to Goodwill, because it's getting to a point where the clothing is taking over my house and I can't. It's really affecting my productivity because the mess is like really overpowering me. It's like if the house is cluttered, like my brain is cluttered and I cannot focus on it. So I have really, really been focusing a lot on getting rid of most of the clothing that I have and focusing on keeping quality pieces that are going to last a while, that I can wear or that I can sell, things that are really of value that someone else could really use. And I don't need, all of this clothing, because there's no way I could ever wear that much clothing. There's no way I can ever sell that much clothing either. So I've really been going through it, and it's a process which is going to take quite a while, but day by day, I try to do a little bit each day, and I'm making significant progress in terms of ridding my life of things that I just don't need, and it feels really good. I feel like, if you really focus on decluttering your life, that it can only bring positive things into your life if you're decluttering and getting rid of everything that you don't need. Because if it's affecting you negatively, if it's affecting your productivity, get rid of it. That's what the Konmari Method is really all about, is, does this bring you joy? If it doesn't bring you joy, then you need to toss it. And that's why I like it, because, it really makes you take each item that you have and really look at it. And if it doesn't bring me joy, I'm getting rid of it. Like, I can't keep all of this stuff with me all the time. And I also think about, in the future, if I got an opportunity to go travel or to go somewhere else or to move somewhere else, I don't want to be tied down by all this stuff. And that's really, why I'm focusing on getting rid of as much as I can now. So that's my video of 5 things that I am getting rid of right now. I hope that this helps somebody if you are trying to go through all of your stuff and toss what you don't need. I hope that will help kind of break it down in terms of, sectioning out what you need to focus on getting rid of. So if it does help you, or if you have any tips, I hope that you will leave them in the comments down below for me, for other people to read. I love hearing people's stories about like decluttering and getting rid of everything. Because this all started when I watched the Minimalism documentary on Netflix. So if you haven't checked that out, I encourage you to go check that out. Check out my other decluttering videos. I will put them down below. If you are new, I welcome you to my channel, and I do hope that you will click the subscribe button. I will be posting more cleaning videos and decluttering videos next week, so make sure you click the bell so that you will get notifications when those videos go live. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. That'll let me know that you want to see more cleaning tips, tricks, and cleaning videos. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video.